present in over 100 experiences covering 20 genres. Virtual Presence Productions. Camping seems to be a biannual experience for our family, but we always love it. Mainly for the slow hangs by the campfire. So sit with us before we go on a hike the following morning. Oh, God. Oh. Ooh, that was close. Here, come here. Oh shit, look at it going. Oh wow. That's awesome.
Look at that.
That's awesome.
Flip. Oh my God. Just like Cam.
Oh.
I thunked that. Oh, do it.
That's good enough if you're trying to make it s'more.
Okay. Doing it. Oh, come on, you guys. Can't.
What?
The chocolate's all dirty because it was touching the ground.
No, it wasn't.
It's blowing, it'll be fine.
I just swiped it off.
You sit around me too.
Oh no. Attracted with flies.
I don't see one fly. Oh.
I'm gonna get one more s'more. Cause I have a wipe. Ooh. Yum, yum, yum. I think we should have the graham crackers and the chocolate ready before we roast the marshmallow.
We usually do.
Let's go around and roast people. Because we're roasting marshmallows.
Boom.
Roasted.
Boom, roasted.
My hands are so dirty. I mean, they're not dirty, it's just marshmallowy.
See a light on the tree up there?
Yeah.
That's my favorite light. Yeah, it's like red. In the sunlight, they're just like red. It's gorgeous.
It's food.
Wait, I got marshmallow on my glasses.
That's
Wow.
hard to do.
Africanos.
Mom, you've got the messiest face I've ever seen you have. You got
Really?
a little bit on your lip. That's the messiest I've ever seen.
Really?
Yeah.
I've been messier.
Can you clean my glasses?
What?
Nothing. There was a spider on her. I didn't want to tell her that.
What?
I got it all.
Woo!
Was it a big spider?
No, it was a little baby spider.
But
I didn't want to be like, hey, there's a spider on your leg.
Mom would have thought it was a tarantula. Because you know what happened last time
the
we went to...
glasses cleaner right here. Where did you put all those packets of...
Oh, it's in my bag.
Alright, we'll do that later.
Yeah.
This will be good enough for now.
I don't think I'm going to wear glasses because I touched...
You don't need to right now, honestly.
You don't...
It is a one-layer defense to the smoke.
I mean, yeah. I mean, my eyes are already hurting. I should probably...
put your hand in the fire for that beer.
Pretty good there.
Okay, I think I got it ready.
Yeah, so you lay it on your, that's how I do. You lay it right here, put the chocolate on there, other one open.
Can you grease the marshmallows from right there?
Grease them?
Reach.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, not right now. I like gotta. Nice. Okay,
Can
so I
use
put
these
it
on my
here.
face?
No, put it on the stick.
Yeah, but then I put it there.
Right. You anywhere, put it on top of the chocolate is probably the best thing.
Really?
Yeah. That'll help melt the chocolate.
Okay. Oh yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
This is the good life stampy.
Oh God, that was like rain to the fire. I gotta put this. I just realized how.
That's too much. That's good. That's good. You don't want to do too much, or then it'll actually weaken.
Yeah.
When you're done with the wet, give it to me.
Dad, if it's fire, can you blow it out?
Mm-hmm.
Fire.
I think when it's fire,
Oh my God. Oh my God. That is
you gotta.
I don't know how to turn it without like.
Okay, stop. You're right-handed, right?
Yeah.
All right, move. Take it up.
Oh yeah, that's a lot better than.
Asking your
what I
son
was
if
doing.
he's right-handed
There you
or
go.
not.
Yep.
I was just making a point. There you go. You also got. Where did you get these tiny ass sticks? I got these long. Look at that.
Well, I mean, this one isn't really.
I'm gonna go over there. I'll be right back.
Not cooking. Ah,
It's not ready yet.
you gotta wait. This is my third s'more. Because I haven't had s'mores in so long. They're just so good.
You be careful. You're gonna be sick of them.
Why?
You'll be like, ugh.
Oh.
Can't eat any s'more.
Oh my God, that was so cringy, but like so good.
That's a mom joke.
It's an uncle joke.
What did I miss?
I made
Ooh,
a
I
really
like
good
perfectly
I said, he,
cooked
I said
this.
he's got to stop eating it, and then she goes, "Yeah, you won't be able to have any s'more." That's
That was
classic.
good, right?
Cameron, you're probably ready to go, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You okay?
I
Take it, and then put it on the
Oh
chocolate.
God, this is hot.
There you go, just like that. Pop it right on the chocolate. There you go. Push that, perfect. Now throw that on. There you go, dude.
I did
Squeeze
that.
them together.
And I
Oh,
put.
geez, hold on to that, dude.
I got it. I don't want to
Are you
squeeze it because
okay?
it's like.
I think that's why they call it smolder. Good one?
It's a great one.
Very good. Presents. Here we are. Green Valley Lake. We stopped at a diner for lunch because the hike made us too tired to cook. But little did we realize that those clouds meant imminent disaster.
Wait, Cam, wait. Videotape this. Ready? Come look at this. Cam,
I
videotape
can't. I don't want to get out of focus. What's over there?
this. Look. Ready? Look, I'm gonna be one of those dramatic people. Look.
I'm sorry.
Okay, go back and focus.
Oh my God.
Oh God, Dad is soaked. Dad is a hero. He's gonna be proud of me for sacrificing my view to get this footage.
This is gold.
I think he did it.
Memories.
Yeah.
Memories, people.
So much for taking the rain cover off to see the stars at night. I swear there was a 0% chance of rain, and goodness I feel stupid for not covering it before we left. Every piece of clothing and gear and blankets were soaked, which meant, yep, came all the way home for the dry out 2 days early. Undeterred, however, we home camped once everything was dry. It's all about the memories. My weenie's bending a little to the left.
Oh my god, I hate it when that happens.
Guys, I'm gonna film that again because I need to go more.
It's not that bad.
What should I say? Have you say boom roasted?
No, you gotta say nothing.
Okay.
Say nothing! Nothing pretty for your birthday.
You're not the boss of me.
Ready?
Today she is. Shut
Everyone,
up. Alright,
back one. Oh.
give us a countdown, then we'll shut up at 1.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's not recording. Crap. I think I
Bruh,
recorded the countdown.
we should have recorded that. Wait,
No.
we did record that.
I'm just kidding. I was on the wrong thing. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ohio.
To all you haters out there, Uno reverse card. Boom roasted.
Good timing with the plane going by.
Hey, how about you review that?
You gotta
for
start
us?
What?
that.
It says no memory card. Oh, never mind.
How about you review
You're on
that?
pictures the whole time?
No.
Hey, Vienna, how about you review that memory card?
Stop.
You alright? Are you getting tired?
I bet you're gonna see some.
Oh, come on. It's not getting the
I
plane.
did the signal
Now.
face.
Plane's gone, now's your chance.
No, I'm just gonna put it on the
When
tray.
is my wiener burned enough?
When it hurts.
What do you mean?
Bruh.
No,
Everyone,
this,
guys,
please.
Turn it over one more
Okay,
time.
ready? I'm gonna
There you go.
film something.
I think you're getting pretty close, dude.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To all you haters out there, Uno reverse card.
Oh
Boom
my god,
roasted.
it just
Crap.
went right
Oh,
in my
God.
face.
Okay, also Vienna, the light source, you've got it.
Yeah, this is bad. I don't know how to do this.
The way you were sitting was fine. Over there sitting, the light will be on your face. That works too, I guess.
I think my wiener's on fire.
Right over there, this sun, that's the light. Light should be on your face, camera should be facing.
Okay. Ready?
There you go, that looks
Y'all
perfect.
Make sure that is good.
It looks good, yes, nice and right. All the way, move it off to the side so the shadow isn't in your face. Move the camera off to the side a little bit. There you go, perfect.
To all you haters out there, Uno reverse card. Boom roasted.
Oh, and there's a lot more of these. Please check out my other VRLOGs and subscribe and comment. It means the world to me.